Hi, my name is Lauren, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you how to achieve various styles through using regular braids. I'm just going to show you for a few quick fixes for hairs that unruly. We all know that if we started a French braid or any other kind of braid that was up here at the top of the head, and then we had a little unruly piece of hair down here that did not want to cooperate, we don't want to start over and try again. Now I'm going to show you in Ashley's hair just by doing a regular braid. And I'll make sure that there's some pieces that just don't cooperate as I go through. So I'm just going through with the braid. You can see how her layers start to pop out within her braid. She's got little pieces. This is what we would be considered an unruly braid. Many people with layers happen to have this problem for the simple fact that their layered hair create little pieces that pop out because the length is not uniform with the rest of the length of the braid. There are two ways to do this. One way is to take a bit of a heavier product, usually more of a putty or a taffy, something that's got a bit of a deeper consistency, a little heavier. You're going to use it and piece it down. You can literally flatten those pieces into the braid. For a piece like this, which won't flatten, what you're going to do is take a bobby pin, you're going to place the hair down exactly where you want it, and you are actually going to push the bobby pin down into the braid. As you can see, the bobby pin gets lost in the braid, and you're not going to see it and nobody will notice it. However, those pieces of hair that are just sticking out and doing whatever they like are no longer going to be found. So again, take it, put the piece of hair where you want it to, open up your bobby pin and just stick it straight down right into that braid. You don't see the head of the bobby pin, and those unruly hairs are no longer to be found.